Hi, kindergarten artists. Today we're going to learn about warm and cool colors. We just learned about the color wheel, and inside the color wheel, not only are there primary and secondary colors, but there's also warm and cool colors. So we're going to draw a picture and we're going to apply warm and cool colors. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so I have my materials and I'm ready to get started. So here's our color wheel that we learned about, the primary colors and the secondary colors. So now we're going to learn that there are warm colors and cool colors in this color wheel, right? So the warm colors are on this side, red, orange, and yellow. And when you think of things that are warm, like fire and the sun, those are associated with warm colors. And the other side are the cool colors, and the same thing. When you think of things that are cool, like water, they are associated with the cool colors. So today we're going to draw a fish. And on our fish, we're going to use the warm colors, and in our background, we're going to use cool colors. So I'm going to start by drawing my fish. I'm going to draw an oval. You don't have to draw the same fish as me. You could do your own style if you want. I'm going to draw a curved line up this way for my tail. Inside, I'm going to curve down and come back in again. And I'm going to do the same type of thing for the fins here, up and down. Curve down. I'm going to give my fish an eye, okay, and then a little smile, and then inside my fish I'm just going to do some wavy lines that are going to wind up being in those warm colors. Just very simple so that we can show that we understand what the warm colors are and what the cool colors are. Just some wavy lines. Okay, so I'm going to use paint because it's quicker and easier. And inside my fish, I'm going to use warm colors. So I have my paint palette here, and in my paint palette it's even set up that way. So these are the warm colors and these are the cool colors. So I'm going to start with red. You don't want to have too much water on your paintbrush because then it will bleed some out. So red, yeah, I'm going to do a pattern, red, yellow, orange. Yellow, orange, red. And these are only warm colors. Yellow, orange, red. Yellow, orange. Okay, so here. Red, whoops, yellow, orange, right. Okay, so I did my red, and my next warm color I'm going to use is yellow. And look, it's bleeding right there. You don't want too much water because then the colors go into each other. Orange, red, yellow, orange. Whoops, yellow. Supposed to be red, yellow, orange, red, yellow. We'll just put another one here. And go back with that red. Okay, so I'm going to paint these last sections orange and I'll be right back. Okay, my fish is done and I used only warm colors and I did it in a pattern, red, yellow, and orange. You don't even have to do a pattern as long as it's just warm colors. And in the background, I'm going to draw lines that just kind of represent the water in motion. And in the background, I'm going to use only cool colors. And it becomes a really cool design when we're all done. Okay, so my cool colors are green, blue, and purple. And I'm going to go ahead and paint my background with those three colors, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I finished my painting. I painted in the background the cool colors, blue, purple, and green, and I made those into a pattern as well. So now in my painting, I've showed that I can paint using warm colors and cool colors. My fish is in warm colors and the cool colors are in the background, which is everything behind the fish. Okay, so I can't wait to see what yours looks like. Please don't forget to send me a picture. Thanks, bye-bye.